He's in this. Here's one of my favorite shows.
Okay, howdy everybody. I'm Billy Bob.
Yeah, and I'm Looney Bird.
And we're back with another big show. And tonight's big concept is trivia. We're doing lots of trivia for everybody. So we'll be asking some trivia questions based around the songs that we're doing or around the time that the songs were recorded. So we'll see how good everybody is at answering these trivia questions. Okay? Okay, now let's see. The next song we're going to be doing is by Rolf and Earl. Hey, you guys, come on over here.
Hey, okay, I'm ready. I know everything there is to know.
Rolf, just be quiet and listen to the question. Well, I don't really have a question. Since the song that we're going to do is She Blinded Me with Science, does anybody have a science trivia question?
I have one.
Mitzi, hey, what you got?
Hey, okay, how many electrons can you fit in a teaspoon?
How many electrons can I fit in a teaspoon?
Uh-huh.
None. I don't know anything about electronics.
Okay, well, I can fit 625 million electrons in a teaspoon. Aren't you proud of me?
Well, what do you do then? You sprinkle them on your cereal or something? What? What's the deal? That's really okay. Well, Mitzi, you're not supposed to tell us the answer to your trivia questions. You're supposed to let the audience guess. Okay, now we're gonna have to come up with another trivia question. Who's got a science trivia question we can ask?
Who won the World Series in 1949?
Okay, who won the World Series? We'll be back with the answer to that trivia question right after this song.
Yes, but as a known scientist, it is a bit surprising that she blinded you with science. I know.
Thomas Dolby's song. Thanks, Rolf. Thanks, Earl. We didn't have too good a trivia question going there before we went into that song about science.
I couldn't think of one.
Well, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't great. Does anybody have any just a general trivia question you can throw out at the audience here?
Yeah.
What's that? What I was like now?
Wait.
You. I'll decide this.
Hey, who gave you the right to do that?
Yeah, Beach Bear.
Fats.
Yeah, I gave him the right. Now tell him who's gonna go first.
Fats.
Yeah, I can see that. That sounds
Yeah, that's okay.
Anybody have a problem with that?
No.
Oh, no. Go ahead.
Yeah, go ahead, Fats.
Okay, I got a good one about the next song I'm gonna sing. It's about a minute work, and they're from down there in Australia.
Is that a trivia question?
And no, I ain't asked the question yet. Well, I'll tell you the question when the question comes up. Now,
okay.
watch this. What is the capital of Australia?
Canberra.
Canberra. Now, wait a second. I guess Canberra. Wait a second. Dude, it's not Canberra. It's Canberra.
That one was too easy, Fats. Let's try another one.
Okay,
Go ahead.
yeah.
You got another chance.
Let me see. What's the capital of the state of New South Wales?
Sydney.
Yeah, Sydney. Think you're smart, huh?
Of course, we know it.
All right. What's the capital of Queensland?
Brisbane.
South Australia.
Adelaide.
Tasmania.
Hobart.
Victoria. Westvatham. Speak Glasgow. Visit. Speak. Well, it's quite obvious that the Australian geography is a very topical subject these days. Hit it, Duke.
What? You want me again? I got a question for y'all.
What?
I got a good trivia question for y'all.
Play the song.
Okay, play the song. I want to ask a question.
What?
Y'all asking questions?
Okay, let Joe trivia
Duke wants
have
to
it.
ask a question before he plays the song.
Okay. Who made the first 1923 Henway?
What's a Henway?
About 3 pounds.
Oh, boy. Got me. Play the song.